The kaleidoscopic street art immersing us in this collection sprung from the fertile minds of Midjourney AI intertwined with my imagination. Both my original visions and works crafted by fellow artists on the platform demonstrate how generative art technology now allows nearly anyone with clear imaginations to play the role of muralist or graffiti creator. We can readily give life to vibrant, emotionally resonant urban art scenes by describing our desired aesthetics, palettes, and subjects to Midjourney's algorithms. In mere minutes, the AI renders photorealistic images ready-made to adorn the architecture of imagination cities brought to life in our mind's eye. So as we explore this gallery of AI-generated art, let the extravagant styles, figures, and lettering transport you to fanciful metropolises where every wall overflows with the creative fervor of the people. Street art has exploded onto the urban landscape, transforming drab buildings and monotonous infrastructure into vibrant canvases pulsing with life. As we stroll through cities around the world, we now find ourselves surrounded by ever-changing open-air galleries marked by massive murals and graffiti lettering in every hue. This collection captures the creative soul of over different street artists. Their large-scale pieces showcase the breadth of styles flowering in areas many might dismiss as cold concrete jungles. This art envelops us with dazzling colors and intimate insights that reflect the communities inhabiting each neighborhood. Hyper-realistic portraits gaze out from brick walls, the stunning detail affording dignity to often marginalized citizens. Stylized human figures dance across storefront shutters, the elongated limbs exuding free-spirited joy. Mashups melding video game characters with cultural icons beam an infectious playfulness and pride of place. These kaleidoscopic installations imbue our commutes with whimsy while speaking to social issues close to the hearts of local residents. Take Antonio Ramos' sprawling mural, "The Kids Are All Right" in the South Bronx, where children romp beneath a luminous rain cloud as a love letter to the vibrancy of youth amid surroundings often typecast as bleak. Street art like this puts power back in the hands of the people. It transforms our structures and streets from mere utilities into narrative tapestries celebrating what matters most in marginalized communities. They let neighborhoods self-identify through images that capture their humanity. This ever-evolving gallery also represents the pluralistic collision of influences making up modern cities and culture itself. Ukrainian, Travis Simpson layers anime characters with First Nations imagery as contemporary commentary on the interwoven globe. Michoacan-born Pablo Sisto Wills fuses modern graffiti with pre-Columbian inflections as allegorical bridges across time. These artists follow in the footsteps of pioneers like Keith Haring and Banksy by reclaiming public space. Their defiant acts of beautification turn streets into connective fibers that bind society together. As we decode the symbols and themes infused in these large-scale illustrations, we unpack the stories of our shared communities. This street art kindles our imagination and heart by gifting glimpses into the humanity around us. Here before us pulses the poetry of the people. Speaking of their reality, hopes, and heritage, let these kaleidoscopic dreamscapes passing us on the pavement kindle childlike awe, spurring us to see our cities and each other with bright new eyes.